Hey there, business owners. Are you ready to take your brand to the next level? My name's Your Name, and I'm here to tell you why my marketing agency is your best choice. First off, let me give you some credentials. I've successfully completed over 100 projects. From local startups to established enterprises, I've seen it all, and I've helped businesses just like yours achieve phenomenal growth. What sets my agency apart? Well, it's not just the years of experience or the number of projects, it's the unique approach we take. Every business is different, and I get that. That's why we tailor our strategies specifically to your needs, ensuring that you get the best results possible. Now you might be wondering, what exactly can we do for you? Whether it's social media marketing, SEO, content creation, or PPC campaigns, we've got you covered. We use data-driven strategies and creative thinking to get your brand noticed and loved. But that's not all. I also run a marketing training institute. Why is this important for you? Because it means my team and I are always at the cutting edge of marketing trends and technologies. We're not just applying old methods, we're innovating new ones. And the best part, we pass this knowledge on to you, helping you understand the why behind our actions. Transparency and communication are key. When you work with us, you're not just hiring a service, you're gaining a partner. We keep you in the loop every step of the way, so you always know what's going on with your campaigns. Still not convinced? Let's talk results. Our clients have seen significant boosts in their ROI, increased brand awareness, and have built stronger customer relationships. And we're ready to do the same for you. So, if you're ready to elevate your business and see real, measurable results, get in touch. Your success is our success, and I can't wait to help you achieve it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let's make your brand unforgettable together. Catch you later.